Integrating Voiso with the Salesforce CRM is a multi-step process. This series of videos walks you through each of the steps to help you get up and running as fast as possible. Part 2 demonstrates how to enable the Salesforce CRM in the Voiso CRM integration settings view. Before you begin, make sure that your Voiso account is enabled for Salesforce. If you are unsure, contact your Voiso account manager. To enable Salesforce integration in Voiso, select CRM integration settings from the Administration menu. Scroll down to the Salesforce CRM settings section. The first thing that you must provide is the Lightning URL Origin API. Enter the domain for your Voiso contact center. You can get this URL from Voiso Technical Support or the Voiso onboarding team. Second, enter the container URL Origin Softphone. You can get this URL from Voiso Technical Support or the Voiso onboarding team. Next, enter the consumer key that you saved in a text file from the previous video into the Client ID field. Finally, enter the consumer secret that you saved in a text file from the previous video into the Client Secret field. Click Save. You are now ready to authenticate your integration with Salesforce. Click Finish Authentication. Then authenticate in Salesforce using the same account name you used to log into Voiso. When you see the message, Successfully Finished Authentication in Salesforce CRM, you can enable Salesforce in Voiso. Select Enabled. If you want contact records to screen pop in Salesforce when your agents are in a dialer campaign or receive an inbound call, select Enable Screen Pop-up. Click Save. Thanks for watching Part 2. In Part 3, you will learn how to set up a call center in Salesforce.